I don't like to recap. I would prefer to move forward. But there were some things said on Monday that we just can't let slide. My little brother Seth Rollins. Exactly, no pop. He said he's got the title. The title. So I had to think about it. I'm like, didn't I beat everybody competing for that title? Doesn't that make all them my number twos? Shouldn't we call that the loser bracket title? And then he had the audacity to say that he was the guy. You can't be running around here for 2 years in your wife's clothes and say you're the guy. And then he wants to say he's a workhorse. But 3 months in, he broke his back trying to carry that show. Let me ask y'all this. Do workhorses walk like this? Hell no. And then he wants to attack my schedule? Oh, come on, this is simple. I work less than you, yes. That's true. Actually, I work like 10 times less than you. And I still make 10 times more than you. So I'll ask y'all, you want Seth Rollins money or Tribal Chief money? But see, Cody, he's an idiot. He's got values and all that crap. He don't really care about the money, I don't think. So I'm gonna break it down to him very simple. This is simple math here. Cody, I'm not gonna beg you like the other guy. You can either be the very best number 2 in this industry, or you can take a crack at number 1 again. It's your choice.